a 677. Take one. So what we're working on today is the shock tower. There is a modification that you can make to the shock tower that actually welds most of the seam locations to each other to provide even more strength and rigidity to the shock towers. These were bought pre-made, and we're going to be replicating. It's hard to see, but we're going to be replicating welding in those seams there. That's what our objective is today, which is basically going to be right in here, 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 and here. We're using 030 wire. We're using our very trusty Arc Captain MiG 200 and my super mediocre welding skills. This ought to be fun. Let's see how this works. Always use the proper safety equipment. Always use this in a well-ventilated area. And make sure you have the proper safety mask. Okay, let's see how this goes, or doesn't go. I'm setting my machine to 120, and we're going to see how this works. Here we go. Okay, fire in the hole. Okay, super fat. Tons of penetration. I probably can turn it down. I'm going to turn it down to 105. That wasn't too bad. All right, so now let's go for the inner. So that's how we do that. I didn't show the second one being welded because it's essentially the same as the first. I didn't grind anything down on this one just because I wanted to just get some primer on it because I'm tired. And it doesn't look all that much different from the other one where we ground down flat. I might still grind down this top part just to make this a little more flat, but I don't think it really matters all that much. This is just supplemental welds, and I'm not all that worried about it. So today we accomplished sanding down the underside of the floor assembly in preparation for the two-part epoxy spray-on application. We welded up both shock towers along the seams that had already been spot welded and sprayed it with weld-through primer just to keep it from rusting or flash rusting while we're moving along in this process. Day 677. And we're definitely not going to make the show next week because I definitely don't have any semblance of a completed car to show. But that's okay because we still have another, let's see what we have. Oh, alrighty then. We have another 66 days between today and MCA in Alabama. So who knows what we can get accomplished in the next 66 days. That's 9 weeks. If I work both weekend days each week, that would be 18 days of production. Today was really not a full day, but with my energy level and my ability to keep going less than it was before, we shall see what we shall see. But we're going to press on, and we appreciate all of your support. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Consider doing so. It doesn't cost you anything, and it'll help me get towards my goal of 4,000 subscribers. So the ads that come up on this channel actually generate a little bit of income to help pay for all of this stuff. So from here at Project 21F and Parts Unknown, It is on to the next adventure with just one glove.